Hi, thank you so much for signing up my program Making Money with ClickBank. And let's start off by introducing what is affiliate marketing, just for those people who are not sure. And I always say that there are three ways to make money online. So the first way is selling your own products or services, and this can mean physical products or virtual goods such as ebooks. And on the physical side, you can sell shoes, you can sell clothes, you can sell any kinds of item like in Amazon. But the thing about this first method is that not many people has their own products or own services to sell. So that brings us to the other two business model. The next one is selling advertisement space. For this, you will need a blog or a website, which is quite popular. So that you can sell advertisement space riding on the number of visitors your website or your blog attracts. And again, most people don't have their own website or blog, especially a popular one. So that brings us to the last business model, which is called affiliate marketing. And this is about selling or promoting other people's product. So how does affiliate marketing works? So let's take a look. There are a lot of product creators online. They are already selling their products and services, and what they need is sales. So they need people to market their product, and in exchange of your effort, they are going to give you part of the sales, which most commonly called commission. So that's how you come in. So as an affiliate marketers, we will join affiliate program, which is to help to sell or promote other people's product. And if there are any sales that is result based on our promotion, then the product creator will give us a cut, which is a commission of the sales. So that's how typically it works. So you will join an affiliate program, you will look for products, then you have to promote the products using the special affiliate link. And you can start posting on Facebook, you can email people, and when there are sales based on the links that you share, then you make a commission. So that's how affiliate marketing works. So let me just go through some of the advantages of becoming an affiliate. First, of course, you don't need to create your own product, so you can write on other people's product and services. And it's easy to start. You don't even need to create a website. So I'm going to teach you in this course how you can do that. And it's free to join. And most affiliate programs are free to join. Okay, let's come down to the disadvantages of becoming an affiliate. And basically that there's no control over the product that you're promoting. And sometimes you might be promoting a specific product, but on another day, the product might change their features or some important changes. So you do not have the control over the products. And also the products may discontinue after some time. So these are some of the things you have to consider. Okay. And now there are two very popular affiliate programs such as Amazon and ClickBank. So for this lesson, this program, we are going to focus on ClickBank. And in the next lesson, I'm going to share with you how ClickBank works and what exactly is ClickBank.